Welcome to Oahu. Visit the beautiful Manoa Falls. At the end of a 1.6-mile hike through rainforest and bamboo, you will see beautiful Manoa Falls. The waterfall is 150 feet high, and at the bottom there is a small pool where you can swim or at least stand in.
Yeah, Manoa Falls.
Nothing to see.
It is a great spot for taking pictures, so make sure to bring your camera. After a heavy rain, the path to the waterfall gets muddy, so make sure to bring some hiking boots or shoes. Enjoy the beautiful hike to Manoa Falls. Aloha.